Although new DSLR releases are becoming ever rarer in an age where mirrorless grabs all the headlines, they still make up a huge chunk of the market and are appealing to a huge variety of different types of photographers. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer looking for a new shooting companion, they definitely shouldn't be discounted as an option. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DSLR cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. The pint-sized Canon Rebel SL2, or EOS 200D in Europe, was a really big seller, but its successor, the Rebel SL3, improves on it in every way. Is it the best Canon camera for beginners that you can buy right now? Whether you're a first-time SLR user, an aspiring photo enthusiast, or someone looking to capture those amazing family moments, the Canon Rebel SL3 can be the perfect companion. It's an incredibly small and light EOS DSLR camera, which is equipped with 4K recording capability, Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, and a vari-angle LCD for selfies and fun angles. Its 24.1 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor is combined with the powerful Digic 8 processor for amazing performance and results. And the Rebel SL3 lets you channel your creativity with functions like 4K time-lapse movie and Creative Assist. Wherever you are and wherever you go, the Rebel SL3 camera makes it simple to capture stunning photos and videos to view and share. Number 4. Canon EOS 90D. Situated as a versatile camera with capable photo and video traits, the Canon EOS 90D is a sleek DSLR also characterized by its high-resolution 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This updated sensor design achieves enhanced image clarity, resolution, and dynamic range, along with a depth sensitivity to ISO 25600 and low noise to suit working in a variety of situations. Combined with advanced image processing, this sensor is also capable of outputting UHD 4K 30p and Full HD 120p video, as well as supporting continuous still shooting rates up to 10 FPS. Complementing the imaging capabilities, the 90D sports a vari-angle touchscreen LCD for intuitive control and compositional freedom, and an optical pentaprism viewfinder provides a bright, clear, and realistic viewing means characteristic of the DSLR shooting experience. It offers 14-bit signal processing, as well as higher standard and expanded ISOs for successful shooting in various lighting conditions. Number 3. Nikon D780. The EOS 90D is quite the step forward for the EOS DSLR line. Mixing a contemporary imaging approach with traditional form and function, the Nikon D780 is a versatile DSLR excelling in both photography and video applications. Featuring a 24.5 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, high-resolution stills and video recording possible, the sensor features a BSI design for heightened clarity and reduced noise levels to suit working in a variety of lighting conditions. This sensor also enables a wide sensitivity range from ISO 100, 51,200, which can be expanded to ISO 50, 200, and 4,800, along with a quick 7 FPS shooting rate with the viewfinder or 12 FPS in live view. This sensor also permits UHD 4K video recording up to 30 FPS using either full-frame or cropped areas. Full HD recording up to 120 FPS is available, along with integrated N-Log Gamma and HLG settings for refined color control. As a relatively new DSLR, it's still quite pricey, but if that isn't an issue for you, then it's one of the best full-frame all-rounders you can buy. Number 2. Canon EOS 1 DX Mark III. The EOS 1 DX Mark III offers the high level of performance an EOS DSLR has ever possessed. changing the game for serious photographers around the world. Boasting a powerful new 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor combined with a cutting-edge new Digic X image processor for truly outstanding stills and video. Track subjects with incredible focus using the new 191-point AF system, including innovative new head detection AF technology, EOS ITR AFX, along with faster continuous shooting speeds of up to 16 FPS with the viewfinder and up to 20 FPS in live view mode. The EOS 1DX Mark III is also our most powerful DSLR for video to date. Equipped with 4K 60p video capability, plus the option to shoot 5.5K RAW video or 10-bit video with Canon log, both recorded internally to Spexpress cards. And with built-in Wi-Fi for the first time ever in an EOS 1D series, this revolutionary, weather-sealed camera offers the connectivity to share photos and videos with clients, colleagues, or family from virtually anywhere. The EOS 1DX Mark III raises the bar on pro DSLR quality and performance. Number 1. Nikon D850. Proving that speed and resolution can indeed coexist, the Nikon D850 is a multimedia DSLR that brings together robust stills capabilities along with apt movie and time-lapse recording. Revolving around a newly designed 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and a proven X-Speed 5 image processor, the D850 is clearly distinguished by its high resolution for recording detailed imagery. The back-illuminated design of the sensor is able to acquire greater detail and clarity when working in low-light conditions, and the sensor also forgoes an optical low-pass filter for improved sharpness. Working in conjunction with the sensor is the X-Speed 5 image processor, which together affords a 7 FPS continuous shooting rate for up to 51 consecutive frames, an expandable sensitivity range from ISO 32, 102,000, 400, and 4K UHD video recording using either a DX crop or the entire area of the full-frame sensor. An 8K time-lapse recording mode is also available, as well as additional specialized recording modes for digitizing film negatives and for focus stacking applications. It looked spectacular when it first came out in 2017, and it looks just as good today, but cheaper. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.